Alright my friends, welcome back to another unboxing. This is on the Zizo Bolt series screen slash phone protector. Picked this up from Amazon for about 18 bucks, $17.99. Let's open this thing up and see what we got here. Okay, and there's that. That's that. Okay, we have a little warranty card. Says tempered glass pull. Don't use your hands, okay. Okay, why can't I see? Okay, it's way up here. Alright, so it comes with a nice little lanyard, which is pretty cool. Little cord to hold your phone. And multiple things here. Okay, so this is for an LG G7 Thinq. It has the back part, which is a nice, nice feeling like kind of rubbery substance. And it has a clip on the back which rotates 360 degrees, and you can also clip it onto things like a finger. Okay, so this also has a little kickstand in the back here. See if I can't kick the stand open here. Yeah, just like that. It opens up so you can set your phone down and watch a recipe or something like that. So that's available. How do you put this back in there? Okay, has these little slip resistant goodies on the bottom, so you put your phone down, it's not going to slide around. Actually, those are hard plastic, so it actually is kind of sliding around a little bit. That's interesting. Anyways, the outer casing is a nice rubbery feel. Also has the screen protector in here as well. Let me see here if I pull this off. Dun, dun, dun. So this comes out of there too, I believe. We're going to be hooking this up to our phone, so I'll pull one side off. I'll be doing a video on that. I think this comes off. Maybe? Hopefully I'm not just pulling it off and it doesn't come off. So there's that part as well. And then it has a screen protector as on there also. So that's that. I'm afraid to pull that off right now if I'm not doing the rest of the. Anyways, there's tempered glass in here. Let's see here. Okay, I pulled that out. So there's another part to it. And the glass cover is in here as well. Okay, so that is that. Looks fairly good construction. I mean, flexible. It's got good grip. It's not going to hopefully not allow the phone to slide out of your hand, so it has a nice little like rubbery feel. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this unboxing. We're going to be doing an install on the phone there too, so that'll be next. Stick around. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.